Adrian, this is very hard for you to this up.
Pardon your French, mate. Hey guys, Bostik Boys back again. Today we'll be installing some timber flooring.
We use Bostik single step because it's an all-in-one and it's so easy to use. Even a roofer can do it. In one drum, it's 3-in-1. You've got adhesives, moisture barriers and soundproofing. When we do get a tiler in, he's clean clothes, he's just putrid by the time he's finished. There's just white glue all over him. I hope that's you today, mate. Yes!
Well, there he is.
Did you do that on purpose? Did you do that to me?
No, I didn't do it on purpose, mate. I haven't moved.
They're me good pants.
Now pull it up, make sure you've got 100% coverage. Taste your truck, lady, mate.
Time.
Just over an hour. Did a good job. Only 2 tradies required.
2 tradies, more like 1 tradie.
Call it 1.5. In terms of the product, we certainly did save a lot of time in having a 3-in-1.
Yeah, definitely. Don't have to buy any other products.
Easy clean, no stains. Early knock-off, Adrian.
Now can you get out of here so I can clean up your mess?
It's taken the confusion out of the whole flooring process.
Well, it's a great product and it takes the confusion. Oh, you said the confusion, didn't you? Let me say that. Let me say something.
All right, you say.